With such an honor and privilege, I am joined here with the Visayan country pop group, O Caraga. Hey guys, how are you?
Hi, thank you. How are you?
All right, so I'm good. With over 10 million streams on Spotify, a lot of people have listened to your song Ipanumpa Ko already, and I am one of those. My first question to you guys, unsa man inyong ipanumpa sa atong mga freshman cobras out there tonight in your performance?
Promise guys, flat one mo tanan. Di man nila.
Sana all. So, good luck sa inyong freshman cobras. Dapat nominate mo sa ilang song. So, out of all of your songs sa inyong repertoire, unsa man inyong pinaka-favorite?
Kuan, as of the moment, Pagani.
Yes.
The newly released song of Caraga, Pagani.
So, stream guys, Obagani. Alright, Obagani. Oh, anyway, before we proceed with our next question, unsa man ang Obagani all about? Bagani. I'm sorry. Bagani pala, sorry.
B.
Ang nag-write lang.
Who's the writer?
Kuan.
Kuan.
Kanang piliun gud nimo nga ilaban ang tilod anay nga gugma.
Sana all ipaglaban. Alright, with my last question for you guys. Last na di ay. Asa may ganahan ninyo?
Last word ka na sa mga kananiya.
Ano, sige, go. Two-part video din siya. So, alright.
Pwede kami nasa lang mamuntahan na.
Sure! Pwede rin siya kayo interview.
Hindi, mamuntahan na sa ako.
What's up, man?
Kami na po yung mamuntahan na. Ano sa inyong na-feel nga na ami dire karon?
Actually, personally, I'm very excited because I've listened to all of, not all, medyo bago pa ko nga listener. So, I'm excited to hear your songs nga, especially sa inyong new song nga Bagani. Alright. Nao pa?
Nanay, video no? Kinanglan na video. Mga katribo, magkita-kita ta ha.
Hey, let's go. So last question. What can we expect from you guys in the future?
More songs.
And songs more.
Yeah, more songs.
Yeah, more.
Yes.
Ooh, new album. So watch out for that, guys.
Hopefully, dire na sa Finma na makuan. Release. Yes.
Oh, that is so exciting.
Sa Finma nga mo perform live.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Okaraga. What will be your message to our Cobras out there?
Andi! Mga katribo, magkita-kita ta.
All right, mga kachibo. See you out there. Thank you so much, guys. Okaraga, everybody.